Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to Resident Evil Requiem. Fix audio working, cracking, muffled, popping, stutter audio cut PC. First, press Windows plus G to open Game Bar. Then go to the speaker icon and make sure the game volume and system volume are set to 100 and not muted. Also, select the correct output and microphone device from Manage Audio Devices. Then check the sound settings from the bottom right speaker icon and select the correct speaker. If the issue still exists, restart the game and then restart your computer. Next, change the sound sample rate. Type Control Panel in search bar. Click on it. Go to Hardware and Sound. Then click on Sound. Right-click your speaker. Properties. Advanced tab. Try these options one by one. 24-bit, 48,000 Hz. 16-bit, 48,000 Hz. 24-bit, 44,100 Hz. 16-bit, 44,100 Hz. Apply each setting and restart the game after each change. If you are using a controller, disconnect it before launching the game, then reconnect it after sound is working. Also, disconnect any extra audio devices. Next, disable spatial sound. Go to Sound Control Panel. Speaker, right-click on it. Properties. Spatial Sound tab. Turn off Windows Sonic or try toggling it. Then, disable unused audio devices. Go to Playback tab. Then click on Recording tabs in Sound Control Panel. Disable unused devices like third-party virtual audio software, and keep only your main speaker and microphone enabled. Do the same in Device Manager. Right-click on Start menu, click on Device Manager, then expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Next, fix hands-free telephony. Type Run in the search bar. Paste the command from description, click OK. Go to Speaker, Properties, Services tab. Uncheck Hands-Free Telephony. Apply. OK. Finally, verify game files. Go to Steam. Right-click Game, Properties, Installed Files. Verify integrity of game files. One of these steps should fix the audio issue. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.